Soft, moist, crumbly, bursting with flavors. Gingerbread, easy and simple to make, best for your holidays. Let's begin. In a bowl, we will first collect a mix of dry ingredients. So, let's sift 2 cups of all-purpose flour maida. Also drop over 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, sift it along with the flour, 3/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, that is dalchini, and 1/3 teaspoon, 1/3 means a little more than 1/4, 1/3 teaspoon of cloves made into a powder. Give this a mix. And after we are done, we will keep this bowl of dry ingredients aside and take another bowl to mix our wet ingredients. As we are making the cake or this bread without egg, we will add 1/4 cup of curd or yogurt. Next, this is honey, 3/4 cup of honey we have to add in. 4 tablespoons of any odor-free oil, margarine or butter. Add just 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence or extract. For the gingerbread, we require ginger, adrak. This is 3/4 tablespoon of ginger. Make it into a very fine paste and then add it. Last goes in 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Whisk until everything well blends. And after we are done, to this we will add half a cup of hot water. Hot water will help in to make the consistency of the honey a bit thinner, which will eventually help in well spreading the honey in the cake batter or the cake or the bread. I don't know why they call it a bread. It's almost like a cake. So after the water has blended in, we will gradually, little at a time, add in the bowl of dry ingredients in this bowl of wet ingredients. Well mix using a whisk or a spatula till you arrive a consistency like this. When you drop it from a height, it should drop like a ribbon. So our cake batter is perfect. Let's move on. Grease your baking dish or your baking mold and then line it with the parchment paper, or you can sprinkle a little bit of flour over it. Spread and remove the excess. I see some people using butter paper instead of parchment paper. Please avoid using that because butter paper is coated with wax. So if you are using paper for baking, always use a plain white paper or use a parchment paper. After pouring in the batter, level it up and then this will go for baking in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. Or after pricking, toothpick comes out clean. You can see the cracks. Our gingerbread is perfectly done. Keep your hot baking dish over a stand, cover it up with the dry cotton cloth and let it come down to room temperature, and then we can demold it. But before demolding, you might need to run a knife around the edges to loosen the grip. After this, your cake will easily come out. Guys, this is the first time we are making this gingerbread recipe. It's very simple and easy to make. It's delicious, has come out really well. If you like ginger biscuits, then this sweet gingerbread recipe is perfect for you. You can serve this gingerbread recipe with the orange glaze because orange and ginger go very well with each other. Or sprinkle it up with little bit of sugar or top it up with some ice cream with some fruits or berries or cherries. Do make and enjoy the recipe, giving your valuable feedback and comments. Not forgetting to like, share, subscribe, hitting the bell icon till we meet again. Bye bye.